Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button, Disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you click Disconnect, it leaves your device at the device list. And Unpair remove your device from your phone. So let's click on it. And now, as you can see, my device is left here. So, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!